Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be discussing about what is the right way to practice speed round. So open speed round in additions and subtractions here and close this. Just for a demo I'll keep the time as 10 seconds. 2 digit 3 rows. Yes. So now I'll start doing. Okay, right. Now we'll see the results. All are correct. So I have taken 2.5 seconds for each question. 2 digit 3 rows. And now the important thing here is how to practice. What is the right way to practice speedrun? So what you should do, first time we have done how many questions? 4 questions. Okay, if you are doing the speedrun for the second time, you should try to do more than 4, or you should maintain the same number of questions. You should maintain the same speed. You should not do one question or 2 questions. So this is just 10 seconds, so I have done only 4. If it was 5 minutes, then the number will be big. And for example, if you are doing 30 questions in let's say 1 minute, so now if you are doing it for the second time, you should do more number of questions, or you should maintain the same speed. That is the right way to practice speed run. Also, you will see one important thing here: average time taken per question. So this is the most important thing you should focus on. So if you want to track your speed, and if you want to see how much time you are taking to solve each question, you can see it here. So for example, as I told you just now, if you are doing 30 questions for the first time, and if you are doing that means you are taking only 2 seconds for one question. Next time if you are doing, you should take less than 2 seconds for each question, or you should maintain the same speed, but you should not take more than 2 seconds, like 2.5 seconds or 3 seconds. So what does that mean? You did not maintain your speed. Okay, so that is a way to practice speed run.